Hello, everybody. It is Thursday, February 23rd, and this is the Operator Lifecycle Manager Working Group meeting. We have two items on the agenda today. We're going to share a poll so that we can vote on rescheduling the upstream community meeting to a time that is fair to everybody. This was requested by our our coworkers in the EU. And finally, we have a quick review, an announcement of the proposed catalog source bootstrapping. Sorry, I should have called this the catalog source repository bootstrapping milestone. So if you look at the agenda for February 23rd, you'll see that you have the ability to start voting on the new OLM community meeting. There's Monday. You can do a preference for multiple times during Monday. There's a Tuesday option. You can include multiple times, and it goes all the way Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then you're able to vote. I'm not going to submit that because I haven't actually gone and thought about which times work best for me critically yet. So I'm going to do that later. But please take an opportunity to just look at the survey. If somebody else wants to, could they just click this and confirm that the link works for them? Share the agenda in the chat, so that's going to do that quickly. Is anyone able to? Okay, I see someone just jumped on.
The survey link is working.
It's working? Perfect. Okay. And then next we have a issue that ONIC put together. It's called OLM V1 milestone 2 catalog source. The goal is basically kickstart the catalog source V1 initiative. There's some links to the design docs. And then finally, ONIC outlines what we want to do in this milestone, and it's pretty bare bones. Simply consists of creating the repository within the operator framework GitHub organization, and then creating a README page for the landing. So if you think that there needs to be additional content added to this milestone, please reference the issue in operator framework /enhancements, issue 124, and add your comments. Help us fill this out. It's okay if we submitted it in its current form. It would just be a very small milestone for the catalog source team. So if that's what we want to do, please comment on it before the next meeting, and then we will finalize this and create a view in the OLM V1 milestone project. Okay. All right. That more or less concludes what we had on the agenda. Daniel, is there anything that you want to share regarding, we can pull up the view, regarding the other part of milestone 2, which focuses on the distribution of OLM V1 releases?
Yeah, I could just share the link to that PR in here. So that's available for people to leave feedback on.
When you say in here, are you talking about in the chat?
In the meeting chat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't have that much else to say about it. It's just a first attempt at doing the release pipeline for operator controller. So the output of this is the images on Quay as well as the installation YAML, and it's pretty similar to the Rec Pack, how it does that, and yeah, that's that's about all I have to say on it. Maybe we could do a demo or something next week.
Okay. All right, well, let's. And 109, these are both updated to. Thought you tagged it in this PR. 109. Yeah, it was referenced. But could you just add a comment on the ticket? Making sure that it's clear that this one satisfies this issue. I guess it's kind of implied. Maybe leave a comment.
Which ticket for which issue?
If the PR you created addresses 109 and 132, if you could just comment on those issues and point like, hey, this is completed in this PR, just in case anyone's watching the top level ticket, they know to review that PR.
Okay.
Cool.
Sure.
Okay. And then you need me to create this new release branch, so I'll do that probably after this meeting. Beautiful. Okay, well, is there anything else we want to talk about? Otherwise, I'm just going to quickly generate what we'll be doing in the next meeting. So in the next meeting on the, it would be 23rd, I guess it'd be the 2nd of March. So we're going to discuss the results of the poll. And finally, we have a demo. Okay, perfect. Well, I think that's everything we've got on today's schedule. We're finishing a bit early. If anybody wants to discuss anything before we sign off, please speak up now. Okay, on that note, I'm going to end the recording and thank everybody for attending today's meeting. I will see you all next week. Thanks.
Thanks, Alex.